Hello lovely lock minions. If you're ready to learn how to master this cute lock bun, keep watching. Okay, we're gonna get started. So I'm using rose water for my edges. I'm gonna use this black castor oil. Rubber bands. Hair ties. Okay, let's get started. Ooh, my nose itches. So I'm gonna spray my hair with water. Then I'm going to take one of these bands and put my hair in a high ponytail. And before I do that, let me get some of this black castor oil with the edges. So I like to put the edge control on before in just specific sides. Mainly geared towards the front. I'm gonna take a brush and just brush it a little bit, because then when I put it in a ponytail, it will be snatched. I want to make sure it has a tight base, because it will help with the bows. Now, you're gonna section your ponytail into 3 sections. You're gonna first divide it in half. Make sure it's somewhat the same size. Then you're going to take the middle section and you're going to separate it. You can use this little rubber band just to hold it for now, because we're going to come back and use it later. Still want to make sure you have your 2 sections. I'm going to take a little bit more of this rose water and spray it. Okay. Now with the 2 sections, you want to gather the locks from each side. And you want also another strong base. So I think this is around here. You can play around and see if you go like this, it still holds in place. So that's how tight or how close you want it. So for me, I'm gonna have it this close. And then I'm gonna wrap my band around it about 3 times. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this first one and take another band. These come in handy. I'm gonna fold this like so. And as I fold it, I'm gonna gauge if there's any like missing pieces sticking out and just stuff that thing in there. And then I'm gonna wrap my band around it. 1, 2. Okay, once you do that, there should be a little hole in here and you can kind of stretch it as it goes. Do you see what's happening? Do you see what's happening? Okay, so you're gonna do the same to the other side. Gather your locks. Gather your locks. Make sure you have a strong base. And I feel like my strong base is around here. If I fold it, yeah. So I'm gonna make sure this tightly together. You can see some that are not wanting to live in that home I need you to get in there. And about right here would be it, I think. And then I'm gonna wrap this thing around maybe 3 times, same thing. And then I'm gonna fold it. And do the same here. I'm gonna get another band and then I'm gonna wrap that around too. So just gauge where you want it, how you want it to look. If there's some locks that are not working with you, you might want to redo where you have the base ending. So I'm gonna do it about right here. And then I'm gonna lock it. I think that's good. Now I'm gonna take the middle and I'm gonna start stretching it a little bit to form the bow. So you kind of can see how the bow is starting, and you can take a look to see what the back is looking like. All right. So any pieces that are sticking out, I can kind of start stuffing in somehow. And then kind of get closer to the base to create my bow. Now, you're gonna take this middle part, you're going to section it into 2 pieces. So first, you're gonna wrap it. And then I have part of it, and then I put a rubber band around it. And what I'm gonna do is wrap it around the under it and stick it, oops, stick it inside. Okay. Then you're gonna take the other section. You're gonna put a rubber band at the end of that too. And then I'll wrap it around and stick it inside of the lock. I feel like it creates more of a solid base for it to stay closer to my head. Okay, once you have this, what you could do is take your bobby pins for the bottom and to make them more secure. So first, I'm going to play around with my bow and put it the way that I want it, like that. I like that there. And then I'll probably take like a bottom lock and put a bobby pin right there to secure it. Also, I'm gonna do the other side. And do it how I want it. Make sure it's covered and do it like a bow. And then I'm gonna put a bobby pin and a bottom lock in there to secure that. And then as I fill my head, I try to make somewhat of an observation of the sun into the thing. It's like a bow. And then you're done! I love this look. It took me a minute to figure out how to do this, but it works for me, and this is how I do my cute locked button. I hope this video is very informative for you. I hope you can share it. I hope you like, thumbs up, subscribe, and tell everybody who's trying to complete this look what things that you learned from watching this video. I'll give you a front view and a back view. Bye.